You do not need permission to begin again. Most new chapters don't begin with applause. They begin on ordinary mornings or evenings. A cup of tea, a notebook opened, a room waiting to be put in order, a piece of fabric spread across a table, or a simple meal prepared with care. The world may not notice these moments, but they are often where reinvention begins. We sometimes imagine that changing our lives requires a dramatic announcement or a perfect plan. Yet, many of the most meaningful changes happen quietly, long before anyone else can see them. A person decides to learn a new skill, to care for their health, to simplify their home, to create instead of consume, to believe that life can still grow in a new direction. These decisions rarely make headlines, but they change everything. Creativity teaches us this lesson over and over again. Every project begins with something unfinished. A blank page, a basket of fabric scraps, a handful of dry beans waiting to become a nourishing meal, a simple sheet of paper that will one day become a flower. None of these things look remarkable at first. Their beauty is revealed through patient, thoughtful work. Perhaps our lives are much the same. Reinvention doesn't always mean becoming someone different. Sometimes it means becoming more fully yourself, choosing what matters, letting go of what no longer serves you, making room for peace, making room for purpose, or for joy. You don't have to change everything today. One drawer organized, one chapter read, one project completed, one healthy meal prepared, one kind conversation. One small step is often enough to begin. The world celebrates dramatic transformations. Life is more often transformed through quiet faithfulness, through ordinary days, through steady hands, through choices repeated with hope. If you're standing at the beginning of a new chapter, don't wait for permission. You don't need everyone to understand your plans. You don't need perfect timing. You don't need certainty about every step ahead. You only need the courage to begin quietly. Because many of the most beautiful reinventions happen long before anyone else notices. And one day, what began as a quiet decision becomes a life that reflects the person you were always becoming. Thank you for spending part of your day with me. Wherever you are, I hope you find joy in creating a life you love with what you have. I'll see you next time.